I'm not sleeping very well. My concentration gone to hell. I've fallen under some ancient spell. Must be the gypsy in you.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Manthali in Nepal, a freedom resort. We're just in the foothills of the Himalayas, and tomorrow is a big one. Start the trek to Everest base camp. So, arrived in Kathmandu yesterday, late evening. Had dinner with the rest of my team. There's 4 of us on our trek, and our guides, and then we've just had about 6.5 hour car journey to get here. The festival starting, so the roads were crazy, but yeah, we've made it. So this is where we're staying tonight, and then tomorrow we'll take a flight, short flight, 12 minutes apparently, and then the trek starts then. So yeah, let's show you around. So this is where we're staying tonight. These little safari tents. Pretty cool. 2 to a tent. It's roasting at the moment. So
Heart and here Phakding. We're going to stay tomorrow here Phakding 2610 meter. It means from the Lukla we're descending 200 meter, right? And we're following the Milky River from tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow is here and day after tomorrow, so it's a long distance, 800 meters something, 344.
Right, good morning. Welcome to Manthali Airport. It's about 6 o'clock. Just seen the plane take off. A little 12-seater, it's tiny. There's a fair few people here. So I'm not sure when our plane's leaving. I think about 8. But yeah, getting a bit excited now. It's all getting very real. Alright, Tara Air, that's who we're going with. Let's get this show on the road. The little heavy ones. Hello. Right up in the Himalayas. Ah, yes.
My gentleman, yeah? So, his assistant leader, he's gonna give you the introduction, please.
Hello, namaste everyone. My name is Himalayas. I'm from this region, and I'm doing this trekking field since 5 years. Thank you.
Oh. No. All right. So we've just left Lukla in about 20 minutes into our 12-day trek to Everest Base Camp and back. This is our group for the week. This is our assistant leader.
Hello.
Raymore. He's going to be taking the lead. And we've got Ollie. Hello. Michelle. Sam. Dan. Yes! I was going to drop that in there. I'll edit that out. Dan, and of course, we've got the big boss at the back.
Namaste.
Bujan.
We're starting our trek. We're gonna heading to today the Phakding. So slowly going on. So after now, good weather, everything's fine. We're working very gently, keeping our energy for higher off. Thank you, namaste.
Beautiful. All right, let's crack on.
The Kumbila Holy Mountain, which is 5,600 meters. So we can see tomorrow on the way also, even from the Namchi Bazaar also. So that is a Kumbila.
That's only 5,600.
Yeah.
Everest is like 8.
Buddhism, right? So there is a color, you can see, aloe. You know the aloe?
Yeah.
Aloe means the sun, green means the forest, red means the fire, white means the water, and the blue means the sky. So these are the 5 important elements, right, that belongs to the Buddhism.
It's like the clothes family. Yeah, but the rest of them often have like a cover job and everything.
All the lines, all the waves, ribbons of energy locked to the
Pretty bouncy.
in eons past, ages to come. All those lines flip where they're from. All those lines flip where they're from. He stands up, walks from the room, never knowing how soon the ribbons of his life.
Alright, welcome to Hotel Sherpa in Phakding. This is our end destination for tonight. So it was a nice easy hike today, about 3.5 hours, just over 8 kilometres. It was a good first day. We've actually dropped a bit in altitude down to 2,600 now. I was a bit short of breath when I got off the plane, I have to admit. Wasn't expecting that, so hopefully we're going to ease into that as we get higher. Because we're going up to 5.5. 550 is the highest point, but we're taking it easy. So yeah, just had a nice little nap. We're going to relax now, have some food later, and then yeah, tomorrow we're going up to Namchi Bazaar, which is the last kind of place where there's going to be any possibilities of buying anything, and that is about 15 kilometers I think but it's 2,000 meters of climbing, so all uphill tomorrow. So yeah, well rested tonight and then ready for tomorrow. It's been a scorcher today. Hopefully we've got good weather again tomorrow, but we're going to be getting colder as we get higher up. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. All right, that's it. Day 1 done. 7 more to get to base camp, 11 more till we come home. So yeah, loving it already. All right, see you later.
I didn't want to say.
What was that?
Is it even going to come out?
No. So I was banking on the lights coming back on.
Oh.
And off again, please.
You know you're filming a curtain.
Yep. It was dark. It was dark. Come on, it was dark. It was dark.
Come on, guys. Look at this lovely cat.
I did not know that.